Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be creating a centerpiece vase, and let me show you exactly what we're going to get into. So let's jump right into the video, guys. The first thing I'm going to be using is this vase. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Now guys, I did tape this off. I took it outside. I already spray painted this in white and brought it back in. Okay, so we'll pull that tape off together. Then I think we may be embellishing with some pearls. This is the pink and white pearls. I put them in this container. I got these at Michael's. Then I have some loose gems here. I'm not really sure exactly how much of that I'm going to use. I have some extra like roses and some other extra glam stuff in here in this jar. Then I am going to be trying this glue right here. This is new. I saw it at Walmart today and I thought I'd give it a try. Let me see. So it does say that it's good for wood and jewelry and tile and plastic and so we're just going to give it a try today and see how it works. I never seen this there before, so we're going to give that a try, guys. So here we will be embellishing with these gem border stickers. I love these, guys. It has the pearl down the strip, so we're going to be using that. And the glue gun, some loose gems, anything else I'm using to create this craft, guys, is down in the description box below. So let's get into the video, guys. The first thing we're going to do, I have the tape on here, so we're just going to peel this off together and see how that came out. This, guys, is what this looks like. Okay, so we do have some flaws in here. I'm not concerned about it because I know we're going to go ahead and embellish this first, and then I'll clean it up. So we're not going to work with the stand right now. This is a stand right here. I wanted to show it to you. I used this in a previous project and it was already spray painted in the metallic gray. So we're just going to reuse this, okay? So now I am going to embellish this. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to run a row of the stickers on the open spaces along here, and then we'll embellish around that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead, to go around. Now the adhesive behind these stickers, guys, is very good. I just want to let you know that. Okay, let me show you what we have. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So just by placing the stickers there, we're already makes that vase look beautiful. So around this neck here, I did not spray either. I didn't cover that with spray paint. So I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of these stickers here to put around there. Okay. So we're just going to reuse the ones that we didn't use. We're going to place this in the center here. Okay guys, so let me show you what we have. Okay, isn't that beautiful? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and embellish in between these pearls here. Maybe I'll scatter some gems just to camouflage where my flaws are, okay? And then maybe some here in the center. I'm not really sure, so let's just jump right into this and see what we come up with. Okay guys, I think I want to start with these pearls. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to do here. I have some of the pearls here, and again, these are white and pink. These are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to scatter a couple, and then I'll decide exactly what order I want to do this. We'll start out with a dot of blue. And the size doesn't matter. The size of the pearl doesn't matter. I usually mix them anyway. Yep, they're easier to pick up from the tin. Okay guys, that's what we have. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, this is what that looks like, guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish embellishing around the jar, okay? So I'll be right back with you. Okay, look at this. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? That is so gorgeous, guys. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to find the placement for that candle holder. We're going to do that first, okay? So I am going to try this glue, like I said, and it's called, I never even said, it's Beacon 527. A multi-use glue. So we're going to try this, and I'll let you know in the next video how this glue works. So we're going to do, and it is clear, so that's good. Okay, and then I'm going to put some hot glue right here. Then we'll turn this upside down, guys. And then once we have a placement, we push down. I'm pretty sure I'm in the center. So now here's the thing I'm going to do. I was thinking about this as I was gluing the gems. I'm going to use some of these roses that are left over from a previous craft. I think I have enough to go around that bottom. And so what's going to happen is when I glue these, okay, they're going to stick out from the bottom. This is going to look really beautiful, guys. So let me go ahead and cut some of these tips off, just because some of them are a little too long. And we're going to go around that vase. And we're going to do that now while we're upside down, before we turn it over. And I am going to be careful because like I said, I've never used that glue. I just wanted to use up these roses, and we'll use hot glue in case I need to reuse them again. So let me glue those real quick, and then we'll just close this. Okay, so we're just using, oh, let me show you what those flowers look like. They're just little mini roses, and I got these at Michael's, guys. And this is from a previous project. I had them left over, so I'm gonna use them, and I'm gonna place them where they're sticking out of the vase, like this. It's gonna look absolutely gorgeous, guys. So we're gonna place some glue, then we'll place the rose, and we're gonna place it sticking outward. And I do believe I have enough to go all the way around, so I'll just kind of give it some space there. I got this idea while I was gluing the gems, and I said, what a good idea. It's already a glam vase, so why not put some white roses in there, right? Okay. I'm just going to give that a second. So I am going to turn this around. I always hesitate when I'm using a new glue. I'm going to turn this around, and I'm just going to put some of these diamond gems, just a few along the bottom while this glue is drying a little bit. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at that. Look at this. I am so, look at, that is so glam, isn't that? That's so gorgeous. So I'm just going to put some scattered, the big ones, let me see, let me get some gems, the bigger ones, along the bottom, and then we're pretty much done. I'll just clean up the vase, and then I'll display that for you. Let's do this first. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to use, I have one gemstone, one of these diamond gemstones on every other square. So I'm going to put a pearl in every other square, just to kind of, I don't know, just to kind of make that look even, I guess. Let's see. Okay, guys, I did not realize how gorgeous this was going to come out, guys. Let me show you this. I don't want to play too much with the bottom. It looks like it's sticking very well. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? Look at that. And what I did here is I clustered some of the pearls Okay, it almost looks like a little tiny brooch, a pearl brooch, and then I added a gem to each one of those. And the bigger spots right here. And then I scattered some gems along the, some pearls along the top. Okay, and then scattered a gem. And I think this came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video.